boy Big Bob's back in here. So on my last trip to Cleghorn, my sway bar disconnect got bent up. This is the one I have, a 4.5-inch lift. I believe this is a 10-inch sway bar link, and I'm replacing it with a 12.5-inch sway bar link. It's from the company called Teraflex. I was told by one of my buddies that if I get one a little longer, it'll help with my disconnect inverting. When you get too much flex, it flexes too much and it inverts. So this will help with that problem. Hopefully this is all I need to do for that situation. So that got bent up pretty good there. Tension joint must be greased before use. So this is the old and new sway bar link. The difference, one is 10 inches and the other one is 12.5 inches. So you can kind of see the difference on those right there. Got the new sway bar links in. A little long, hopefully it'll clear right here. May have to do a little bit of trimming, we'll see. But it's in, wasn't that bad of a job to do. One thing that I may have to do in the future, I want to do in the future, is relocate these things. So if I take the sway bars out, because when I'm flexy, it rubs, it hits. So one of my buddies, he did something where he welded these brackets in here somewhere. So I gotta talk to him, see what he did. Because if I ever disconnect the sway bar, not using the sway bar disconnect, the quick disconnects from, from the Rubicon, that could be something that I can do. Otherwise, it's gonna rub and tear it apart. All right, that's a Teraflex sway bar disconnect links. It wasn't that hard of a job. I didn't have to get any hardware for it. I just used the hardware that came when I got my lift. So yeah, I just took the old one off, put the new one on, and once I get the bracket for the control arm put on for the, then I'll be good to go. Yeah, so once I get the piece for my steering for the control arm link, then I'll be good to go. Big Bob's back in here. Peace and I'm out.